So now we have our accessible document. I'd like to just demonstrate how you can navigate the document using a screen reader. And in this case, I'm using the Windows Narrator screen reader, which is very good. So I've just done a search in the search box down here, and I'm looking for the settings. So if I bring the settings up, here, so it's worthwhile, if you're unfamiliar with this, to get to know it. You can change voices, the speed, all sorts of things. And I've also set the shortcut here. So it says press Windows logo key, Control and H to enter to turn Narrator on. So that's what I'm going to do just now. I'm going to test the document for headings, so I can navigate by headings. And I'm also going to test for images and for hyperlinks. Okay, so let's get started. So Control and Windows to get turn Narrator on.
Mouse mode on.
Start heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. Quick start. Narrator. What's setting? Feedback. Show link. Exit. Minimize. What? Word War 1 accessible version.docx. Word War 1 accessible version.docx.
So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to press the Narrator key, which in this case is the caps lock key, caps lock and F6 to find out all my headings.
Search headings. World War 1, heading 1, select introduction and background, Archduke Franz, the Triple Alliance, Russian mobilization, Russian mobilization.
Now I'm going to move up just to the image to find out what the image can tell me.
A map of the Triple Alliance. World War 1 accessible version.docx, editing.
So that quickly told me it was a map of the Triple Alliance. So now what I want to do is I want to find out all the hyperlinks that I've put in. And to do that, it's the Narrator key, which is caps lock, and F7.
Search hyperlinks. Find out more. Triple Alliance. Germany's strategy for a war on two fronts against France and Russia. Link. Germany's strategy for a war on two fronts against France and Russia.
So now you can see how easy it is with an accessible document to navigate, find information, get to the points that you want to do, particularly if it's a long document. If it's a very long document, you really need to use the hyperlinks, use the headings to get around.